know how to do it?
Kind of.
Okay. 'Cause
I make a mess, so I'll say no.
I might need some help. Because you gotta like...
I'm like a pro at this.
We're here with more car videos because the internet doesn't have enough videos about cars.
Hey guys, my name is Teresa.
Hey guys, I'm Ken.
And we're here at the BMW Beverly Hills. Here's Ken is helping me buy my first car.
This is my latest, or my old BMW behind us. It's a Z4. A lot of people have been asking on Instagram and Twitter every time I post a photo. So these videos are for you guys. We're gonna go take a look at some of the modifications I've done over the years and see what car I buy next, because I need a new one too, and she needs one, and you're gonna get a Beamer, right?
Maybe.
Well, we're here.
I think it's so cool at the bottom for the blue lights, it's up here. See? But not only that, if I open the door, they're awesome. It doesn't only show how you can modify your car on the exterior, which like everyone has the ability to put stickers on, better or worse, but the way Ken put the blue lights inside the machinery of the car, connected it to a bottom here and to the door, I think that's just genius.
Have you ever been to the Boiling Crab?
No, but they told me that it's really good.
Yeah, I want to go there. If you
Well, let's go one day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm from Maryland, I love crabs. Do you not eat crabs?
I do eat crabs.
Do you know how to do it?
Kind of.
Okay. 'Cause I
make a mess, so I'll say no.
I might need some help. Because you gotta like turn them over and you flip that thing and then you do all this good stuff. Yesterday I smelled them and I was like, oh. I called them up. I was like, do you have a soft shell crab sandwich? They're like, no. I was like,
really?
Do you have a crab cake sandwich? They're like, no. I could have talked to the manager and like demanded they make me one, but I just didn't feel like it.
Yeah, no, it's always full. It's so crowded. It's like the only place that it's here always crowded.
I was walking to Trader Joe's and I smelled the crabs and somebody was walking next to me. I was like, is there like a place to get crab cakes? And she's like, boiling crab, gotta go, blah, blah, blah. She's telling me what to get. She's like, what's kind of sauce? There's like a certain sauce I gotta get.
I've done this like millions of times. I just didn't want to impress like right away. That's why the thing fell and then like the water came out. But I already expected all of that happening, you know?